Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and if you're like me, you are always looking for some new project and reason to buy it. This is a great way. You can say, Diamond Art Club, I have to advertise that this is my craft room, and so I have to get this hanging sign. No one can deny you, am I right? So I am so excited. This art kit includes everything that you need. It's coming ready to hang, and it says craft room. It is a 6-inch by 12-inch sign. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. On the back, it's a great startup kit for anybody who you want to get involved in diamond painting. Shows how it works, shows what's inside. Let's open it up and take a look. I'm super excited. And you know what? This packaging is very on point. On point. Loving the marketing. Let's take a sneaky peeky inside. I'm going to pull this stuff out. Pull our toolkit out. It has a little picture. We're going to get into that in just a minute. Here's your drills. And here is your fabulous sign. We're going to dig in. All right, so the first things first, here is your sticker sheet. On the left side is your actual project. On the right are all of your DMC colors. And it looks like here, 9, 10, and 11 are special. 12 are 13 and 14 are special as well. Oh, and so are 7 and 8. You can see that there. So 14 colors in this craft sign. That is 6-inch by 12-inch. It is square. Fabulosus. Okay, so here's the toolkit. Inside the toolkit, you are going to not get gypped just because this is a small kit. You're still going to get your beautiful pen. There we go. Jumpy, jumpy. So you're going to get your beautiful pen. It does have the old, well, I shouldn't say old because this is still fairly new, right? It does have the brass tip with the putty, the white putty. Does have a 3-placer, and then you have your stackable tray with putty and baggies. Beautiful stackable tray. And then inside you have a 7-placer and wax if you choose to use wax over the putty. Fantastic. So we're going to put that aside. Here's your thank you for your purchase. Inside's going to be a how-to, Facebook groups, and 20% off your first app purchase. Absolutely beautiful. In the larger kits, this is where the cards are starting to sneaky in. Here's your craft room drills, and this is square. A lot of these projects that are smaller are round. Super excited that this project is square. So like I said, there are 14 colors. We're going to look at these colors. All right, so here's your purple, 38, 37, and this is going to be 38, 37, all your background. So all back here. Let's look really close at the drill field. Let's take this out of the wrapping. Oh, at the back it has the brown wood feel. I love that they chose this color on the smaller kits and like all the sparkle pals, different things like that. It just feels upgraded instead of the natural color. So here's your hang, and then this has well, my fingers aren't working right now. It says opening here. There you go. So there's the drill field. So the purple is the background. So you have 3 bags of that purple. Then you have fairy dust in the white. Let's get a close-up look at the fairy dust right there. So fairy dust is like a mica powder on the top. You can see right there, just really tiny. I like to think of it like kind of like eyeshadow, so to speak. Then you have 809. This, I have not seen a purple fairy dust in a kit. So how fun is that? let's see here, 341. That is the down arrow. So let's see here, the down arrow. All right, so that's here. And that's also in the blue to give you a little bit of that lavender fun. AB 208 is going to be your AB. That's E. E is going to be these light purple stars. And AB is like a sequence, a sequence coating on the top. Then you have some fairy dust yellow and normal 783. Now what I like is sometimes it's good to have normal because it helps the specials pop. So P is going to be inside these diamonds right here. All right, you have your normal 798, and then here is your vibrant L747. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's look at, okay. All right, so we're gonna dive into the 747. That is the plus sign. Yeah, so just these two to add a little extra sparkle. And then these, I wondered what Y was, but they're special. They're quads, what we like to call quads or blocks. So you got 198, 192, 191, and those quads are going to go, they're numbered. So instead of an actual DMC color, you're going to put the 91s on top of the 91s, the 92s on top of the 92s, and the 98s. I read that wrong. And the 98s. Yep, 198 on top of the 98. Isn't that gorgeous? These colors. Oh my goodness. Electrifying. Absolutely gorgeous. This is a fantastic project that I can do while I'm watching TV. You know, I love the hunting party that's going on right now. List down below, what shows do you watch? What podcasts do you listen to? Or who's your favorite YouTuber that you watch? Hopefully I might make it on the list. Who knows, but I like to share the wealth. List it in the comments below. Give a thumbs up. This mighty craft room sign is great. I can't wait to see what other signs the Diamond Art Club may be coming out with. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. You know you want this. Go buy it. Ta-ta!